Hi there. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can now create tables when you decide to activate the enable ordering feature for your FineDine Dine-in QR. So the main reason why you need to create tables is that so your kitchen could determine which specific table a specific order is coming from. So let's start. So firstly, of course, you need to open your FineDine dashboard and go to the settings tab here, and from settings, go to operations. Once you're in operations, you should be seeing this specific screen. Now, to add tables, it's you just need to click this add new table button here, and you can see this pop out menu. So there are two options. It's either you create an automatic with automatic table names, and the other one with custom table names. So let's start with automatic. So for automatic, just start with a label. This is the labels of the table that you're going to create automatically. So let's, for instance, create a table test tables for the label. And for the selected area, I'll be discussing that in a bit. And for the number of tables, for instance, your establishment has 3 tables starting from number 1 to avoid any confusion. Let me just move my face here. And for instance, you have a 1-seater table for the minimum number of seats, and you have a maximum number of a 5-seater table for your establishment. And once filled up, you can see the preview here and what they would look like. So test table number 1, test table number 2, test table number 3. And just click on create here, and as you can see, these are the tables that were automatically generated. Then they should be seen at the tables tab of your FineDine dashboard. You can see this is table number 1, table number 2, table number 3, then the number of seating available per table. And once you click on this button, you can see the unique QR code. So each table has a unique QR code. So once they scan the QR code on each table, your QR menu would appear, and your customers can order and pay through the QR depending on the settings that you've activated. Now, for the second option, once again, click on add a new table. This is for the custom table if you want a more customized type of table name. So, for instance, test, test table. And as selected there, discussing it in a bit, minimum number is like, for instance, there's minimum seats for the test table is 10, maximum is 15, and you can add a another table as well. So another test table. So test selected there, discussing in a bit, minimum table, like for instance 8, then 20, then just click on create. This is for example, and as you can see, these are the 2 tables that you've created customly. So that's a test table, good for 8 to 20, and the test table, good for 10 to 15. And as I mentioned, each specific table has a unique QR code. So when they decide to scan the QR code on that table, your kitchen would be able to determine which specific table an order is coming from when they decide to place their order through the menu. So that's how adding a new table works, and how it works for the dine-in QR when you decide to enable ordering. So hopefully this guide helped. And if you have any other questions or anything, feel free to send us a message in our website, and we'll be more than glad to help out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you soon.